everyone, so let's move towards our today's topic, which is
mastoid antrum. It is very short topic and you will memorize it easily. So basically mastoid antrum is basically air filled space which is present in the petrous part of the temporal bone. As you know that temporal bone consists of two parts in which petrous part is also the part of the temporal bone. So petrous part of the temporal bone consists of air filled space called as mastoid antrum. Now mastoid antrum has a relation with the middle ear. How? Anterior to the mastoid antrum there is if I talk about middle ear, so posterior to the middle ear there is auditus. There is an opening called as auditus which is connected with the mastoid antrum. Now if I talk about mastoid antrum, so anterior to the mastoid antrum there is an opening called as auditus which is connected with the middle ear. So you have to remember this point. Posterior to the mastoid antrum there is a sinus called as sigmoid sinus, which is the sinus of the dural venous sinus. Superior to the mastoid sinus, obviously cerebrum is present. Inferior to the mastoid antrum, some small spaces, further small spaces are present, and those are called as mastoid air cells. Okay. If I talk about medial to the mastoid antrum, so medial to the mastoid antrum, petrous part of the temporal bone is present, and lateral to the mastoid antrum, squamous part of the temporal bone is present. So you have to remember the boundaries as well. Now mastoid air cell, like I said, these are the small spaces which are present in the mastoid part. Now these space consists of air. Now if the pressure is low, so from these spaces the air will enter into the middle ear. So you have to remember this point, that when the pressure is low in the middle ear, the air will move from mastoid air cells. Now what is the blood supply of the mastoid antrum? The blood supply is through the posterior tympanic artery. Okay. And the vein which is supplying the mastoid antrum is mastoid imagery vein, and the nerve supply of the mastoid antrum is very simple: glossopharyngeal nerve and the mandibular nerve. So this was the whole topic. This is very short and very easy to remember. Work hard, study hard, and good luck. Take care. Bye bye.